Hey there, I'm Carl Pritchard, and it's today's Good Question. You've been tasked with applying Agile practices in your organization, and management has suggested that yours is going to determine if Agile's really going to work in your company. You know what all that is? Fluff. That's exactly it. And that makes this Good Question. You've studied Scrum practices and realized the most crucial aspect of team interaction is, and then you have your four answers. Backlog, burn down chart, project velocity, the daily Scrum. Well, let's see, it even says you've studied Scrum practices. The daily Scrum looks awfully appealing, but that makes this a good question. Note what the question is not asking. It's not asking which of these is an Agile term. They're all Agile terms, and you're going to see more and more Agile terms on the exam. So, the question is, which leads to higher team interaction? Burn down charts, velocity, backlogs, those are the terms of art of Agile. But they're also not team interaction elements. Which is about human interaction? That would be the daily Scrum. Now, some of you might be going, actually, Carl, to have higher velocity, you need to have high team interaction, and that's going to lead to a better... Stop that! That's what hyperthinkers do for this exam, and don't go there. Some of the exam questions, particularly if you are familiar with the practice, are gimme questions. They're easy questions. This is a phenomenally easy question, unless you make it complicated. So we can get rid of A, B, and C, and we're left with the daily Scrum. The daily Scrum, a 15-minute daily stand-up meeting designed to elicit the answers to three basic questions. What'd you do yesterday? What are you doing today? And what's standing in your way? Oh yes, and those three questions could very well be on your exam as well. Love to have you join us for our PMP study groups. We have them virtually once a month, live once a month, and we'd love to have you join us. Pop me an email if you're interested. We also train just about everything in management and project management, and we'd love to have your interest there as well. Love to have you. And check out tomorrow's Good Question.